Good afternoon once again. Welcome back to Humble Traders channel, where we try to bring our daily trading journal to you as we open trades, as we analyze them before we open them. Please, I just want you to know that this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Do your own research after viewing our content before you act any further. If you're just joining us for the first time, do well to like this video, subscribe, and keep coming back for more of our content. You can suggest whatever content you want to see us post, and we shall do it by God's grace. Now, I was just going through the Palladium chart, and I noticed platinum. Platinum looks more ready than Palladium, so I decided to open a trade. Actually, we missed the retracement, but a high is about to be formed, and I have taken new positions in platinum. You can see what the weekly chart is showing us. So I have opened these positions to try and see if I can catch it to this very high there. We shall see. The market looks a bit choppy, but our trading system is showing us that we have an entry. I don't think we should hesitate in opening position, seizing the opportunity. This is how we do it. Whenever you have a strategy, keep testing it across different trading pairs. Yesterday we suffered a great pullback in Palladium just because Palladium needed to take a breather. That is what happens usually in the forex chart. Whenever you are trading at a point, especially when key positions are broken, there is need for price to retrace backwards in an attempt to gather more steam and then re-challenge that same high or low according to or depending on what position of the market you are on. And for Palladium, we took a buy position, even though we did not wait. Like I said, my colleague ended up opening the position without waiting for the signal to mature, because he thought because we are trading a demo account, we can just test out the strategy and even have more basis to report to our viewers what can happen whenever you take the trade without waiting for it to mature. We saw nasty pullbacks actually. So at the time, let me show you, although it's not running, we can see I switched off the data to avoid pop-ups on the screen, which ends up always reducing the volume and then reducing my audio. So I just switch off the data just to quickly do this video. But you can see from where you can see now our results page. You can see Palladium XPD there is still recovering. Yesterday we saw a loss of almost 1,800 USD, because as you all know, Palladium is a very volatile instrument, and all the time there is need to wait for confirmation of the trend. That is why I'm making this video, to draw our attention again. Please, whenever you learn this strategy, always try to make sure everything is lined up. Preferably, lower time frame should be aligned with what is happening on the higher time frame, because if you don't know where to trade to, even when you are trading at the lower time frame, even when the higher time frame is not ready yet, then you stand to experience such nasty pullbacks. And in trading, you should know that the reds are normal, but if when you are seeing any red on your screen, you should know that you are actually aligned based on your trading system, and you are prepared to wait and see what happens next. And just make sure that your stop loss is properly placed, and also calculate your risks. We are going to make a video on how we calculate uh, stop loss, how we manage risks in our trades, how we calculate the stop losses, and then how we place the take profits. So we are going to do a separate video for that. I just want you to understand the strategy, how it forms, how we see that it forms, and how we try to take our positions. Like for the platinum, if you look at the higher time frame, you will see that all the indicators have already crossed. You can see the blue one is above, followed by the I think the green one, or is it the red one, but all of them have crossed, so showing us that a what an uptrend is gradually setting into the market. Then, and we can also notice that there is this bullish candle which is green on my chart, is closing above the 9 period EMA, and we already have another candle trying to break the high of the previous month's candle. So this one is enough for us to know, but preferably we should have caught it when this candle closed. When this candle closed, we should have entered the trade if we are trading the monthly chart, then place our stop loss somewhere here below that below the monthly low, because whenever the new candle will open, we should expect a retracement into the body of the previous month's candle before price continues in its original direction, which is what we have seen happening here. But we didn't take it, and we are not trading the monthly time frame, but we are taking orders on the 4-hour time frame. So on dropping to the, let's see the weekly, on dropping to the weekly, we can see that same pullback. If we had seen this pullback here, if we had caught it, then we would have simply opened our position at the end of that week, when we saw that there is a clear rejection to the upside and the candle closed above the 9 EMA again, but we did not see it. And then just today, I was just going through the charts and I noticed what palladium did. But even here we can see that same pullback is showing itself here, and then there is a sharp move up. Now another candle is in play. So I just took it, knowing that even if there is a pullback, we do not expect price to come and break the blue indicator downwards anymore, since we are now aligned with the upper time frame. So we expect to see higher prices. We are going to keep these two trades open, because these two trades were taken after we believe that our indicators, the trading system we are using, has truly aligned with the upper time frame. Let us switch on the data and see what the chart does. So we can see from here that there is a pullback. We took the positions, all right, but there is a pullback and we are prepared to wait for it to what? To uh be back on its way up. So we just keep the trades open and monitor it, and inshallah, whatever happens tomorrow, by tomorrow I shall be able to give an update concerning these two positions, while we wait for other trades to recover, such as the palladium trade. Time is fast running out for us on the FTMO account. What we'll do is we'll open a smaller account, the uh, funded account, that is the demo account, and try to raise $1,000 in those 2 weeks and see what happens. If we're able to get it, then we go back here again and redo it together to see if we can close the $10,000 profit, and we are good to go. If you can do that, we now take the live challenge by God's grace. So please stay with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification in case of new content. Thank you very much.